Hi, this is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And here, I hope, is the latest from Ipsy. This is not sponsored, nor this is an ad. So let's just dive in, shall we? And the first thing I see here, it says here, Hot Glow Summer. Ooh, lovely with the back end featuring certain products. Because we are in the heat of summer here in New York City, so you all know what I'm talking about. Okay, the first thing I have here is from Lys, L-Y-S. I'm going to put on my reading glasses just for funsies. And this is the Triple Fix. I believe this might be a concealer, but let's dive in and find out. Now, I have several of Lys's products. I like their setting spray, and I'm wondering, because I might have a concealer of theirs from a while ago, but let's see. I believe this might be the foundation stick. Oh my goodness. And I love the triangle design. It reminds me similar to Hourglass. Hourglass does the same kind of packaging, meaning the shape. Oh yeah, that's a stick. I will be reviewing this definitely in an upcoming video in the near future. I ripped up the box. I believe this is an LN3, so it's light neutral 3. I'm already excited. Yay! All right, the next thing I have here is from Nia Pout. Toy Factory, I mean. Oh, Nia Pout. And I'm not sure if this is a lip. Usually when they say the word pout, that usually means for the lip. But let's see. It's always fun trying to figure out how to open the box. Oh, it's sealed. It's sealed in plastic. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, so we got the plastic off. Yeah, this looks definitely might be for the mouth. What is this? It has niacinamide in it, and it's a serum lip mask. I did a video recently where I've given the trials and tribulations of how I have been trying to protect, moisturize, and nourish my lips, and this, who knows, might be the key. And it has like a watermelon scent. And it's like a balm, so only use fresh hands. It doesn't come with an applicator. And I would use a different finger to go in. Yeah, it has a slight, like watermelon citrusy type of taste. This is cute. I'll add it to my collection of stuff I'm using to stave off the burning or drying out of my mouth. So cheers. Gotta stay hydrated. I know I'm not sponsored. So there we go. The next product I have in here is from Volition, which I believe I've seen in an Ipsy container before. And this is the Grenache, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Retinol Eye Cream. Ooh, gotta love the eye cream. See that? Nice. Is this the full size? I'm afraid to find out how much this costs. Usually eye creams and skincare serum brands, blah, 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 they tend to be on the pricier side. So this is how it looks as opposed to the box. Feels like something you can travel with, but I'm really impressed. So then a little goes a long way with eye creams, so I can't wait to try that out. I will post that in a future video, my findings. The next thing I see in here is, ooh, there's brushes. Where are these from? These are from, oh, Miss Glam. Yeah, these are her brushes. Always need a set of brushes. Just because I'm always about not just the skincare and makeup and hair care, but I also am always on the lookout for makeup tools. such as brushes and sponges and like. Oh, I like this. I don't know if that's a lip or for the eye. But yeah, this is really nice. So it's, you know, and I always believe that if, you know, you have someone that's going into makeup, you know, it's their first foray, it's a good idea to prepare them with some tools as well, just so that they can try it out and get used to it and decide for themselves whether or not they're just going to use their fingers for certain things, a sponge, or brushes. Ooh. And finally, last but certainly not least, we have, which I haven't done in a while, an eyeshadow palette. And this is the Beauty of Bible. I think this is Carly Bible. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. She's an OG influencer on YouTube. And she came over to make a brand, as so many had. And this is actually called the OG palette. You can see down here. I think I was attracted to it simply because it had a lot of, it looked like the, let's see, like non-intimidating. Oh, seems a little dusty here. There we go. And then we open it. If I can, oh, okay. So yeah, this is, oh, it's pretty. It's very pretty. Okay, I'm going to show this here. Yeah, it's just workable colors that anybody can work with, basically. You know, neutral colors, I guess they call them. That just reminds me of the OG, old school, you know, style when you just started out with, I guess how they call it, grown-up colors. Colors that you can wear to the office, after work, on vacation, on the weekends. That enhances but doesn't scream, hey, I'm wearing makeup. Only unless you wanted to, you could, but you can do so many different looks with this palette. And it has a couple of shimmers, which I like. It's plastic. So this month I chose not to get any add-ons simply because I've been really going hard on the add-ons lately. And I just wanted to, you know, give myself a reminder of what a monthly subscription looks like with BoxyCharm and Ipsy without all the extra bells and whistles of add-ons or subscriptions and the like. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below if you received the latest from BoxyCharm and what your choices were. And if you picked some of these, let me know what worked for you. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit the subscribe button and the notification so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you again so much for joining me on my latest makeup unboxing. And I hope to see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and stay hydrated. Bye.